let's put the engine onto the test track and let's see. No, it's definitely nothing happening with this one here. Okay, this is a little patient which you have to address as well. Then let's look at the next item. Next item is very well wrapped up. And inside we've got another Lima. Oh, it even has the original sticker. Also here some brittle stuff coming off. This is, oh, you can see what it is. It's the metal, the weight. It's been made from this material which completely disintegrates. That's a construction error at the time. So, and because the block is meant to be conducting, this is not much is going to happen here. So I have to find a way to overcome this heavily disintegrating material block or replace it, because otherwise the engine is quite still beautiful. Right, then this is quite a Lima specific problem. Let's look at the next engine, or the next item. Looks like it was a Grafar engine. So look inside. I see the window is missing. I can take it out of the window, and I've already seen that this, oh, it's an original Grafar. Actually, that's nice. Something seems to be out of alignment. Now this has been fixed. Oh, I can't really call this fixing. And this is a free spinning motor. I assume the gears need replacing. I'll have a closer look at this. Put it back into its box. Next one looks like a Hornby MiniTrix. This is the 202. It's a EVAT class 2.6 with tender steam engine. I've just fixed one of like these, and by the looks of it, this one has a very similar problem. The cable is not connected anymore, so I'd be surprised if it ran without me performing a little surgical procedure. Yes, as expected, nothing is happening. If I take this, turn it upside down, and I'll apply maybe 9 volt onto these wheels. No, even this is not good enough. There's really nothing happening here, obviously not because they're not connected. Yeah. Dead engine. Let's find out what the problem is. Please, if you've got a box, we've got the correct box, which is got the correct box. That's quite good. The box looks more or less intact as well. And now, last but not least, we have another Grafar here. definitely not the correct. Something seems to be, it's gone, it's pear-shaped. The locomotive is stuck in here. It's probably the right box. What is quite nice, we've got a drive ring here. So that's on both sides. Has been, someone maintained this locomotive and given it a lot of attention. Something with the pickups here doesn't seem to be quite right at a glance. Sorry. Nevertheless, let's see whether anything is happening. Probably not. Put this little prairie engine. No, it doesn't budge at all. And let's see what we can do. Yeah, so there is some life in the engine, but clearly something is wrong with the pickups. Needs to be addressed. So overall, we've got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 engines, probably all repairable, but it will be quite a bit of work. I may post some of these videos online. Thanks for watching.